Hi, my name is Erick Rudaitis, and today we're going to learn a little bit about PLCs and networks and plant floor architecture. So a couple things I want you to take away from this presentation is a basic understanding of PLCs and networks and a basic understanding of Ethernet plant floor architecture. So some of you know a little bit about both, but this is mainly set for the person who knows absolutely nothing about PLCs and networks. So let's get started. The agenda that we're going to cover today is a big picture, why PLCs, network basics, and plant floor architecture. So buckle up, here we go. So let's just talk a little bit about the market driver, which you've heard a lot about, Industry 4.0 and IIoT. And what does it really mean? It means that we're really trying to create a smarter plant. And we're going to have cloud computing and big data, Factory 4.0, Industry 4.0. What does it really mean? We want to really have a smarter plant. And that's what the driver is, to try to help get the plants a little smarter. So Industry 4.0, Factory 4.0, what they're really talking about is this is the fourth industrial revolution. It started in the 18th century, was the first industrial revolution. The start of the 20th century was the second industrial revolution. The start of the 70s was the third, and this one's the fourth. So the next one you'll hear about is Industry 5.0 or Factory 5.0. So now we're going to go into why PLCs.